Wrap your leg band around your thigh and secure Velcro in front. Be sure the raised tab of your leg band is centered with your outer thigh. Hold your belt behind you, grabbing both ends. Secure one end of your belt to the middle portion of your leg band, centered with your outer thigh. Secure the opposite end of your belt to the bottom portion of your leg band, overlapping the other end. Gently pull the left side of your belt above your hip into your waistline. Your right arm through the armhole until the strap rests on top of your right shoulder. Wrap the right side of your vest around your chest and hold snugly against your body. Secure the left end of your vest by wrapping snugly on top of the right end and attach Velcro. Secure the vest tab to your belt to ensure your belt stays in place. Hold your tension band behind you with the right end centered with your belt and then attach. Bring the left end in front of you, pulling snugly before attaching to the bottom portion of your vest.